guys, welcome to this month's CBD unboxing with Hello MD Products. Now, if we haven't met before, my name is Alicia. I am actually the founder of themomkind.com, which is an autism parenting website. And one of the major things that I talk about there is self-care for our caregivers. And I am all about just making sure that you're taking care of yourself and doing the things you need to do to be the best person you can be to be able to take care of those you love. So in today's box, we're going to check out everything we got this month. If you haven't followed our videos before, make sure to check out all the videos before now of these Hello MD products. And make sure to check out the links below, because down below we actually have a referral code for you that if you sign up through that link, you get $20 off your order, which is a lot considering that a lot of their products are around $18.99 and up from there. So definitely check out that code, and we will link to every single product in here, whether they are a Hello MD product or just some other random product that's in here. So this month's unboxing is going to be about calming. Okay, so this is the Sleep Well with CBD box. Yeah, and sleep is so important, absolutely, because without the right amount of sleep, you can honestly be the crankiest person the next day, right? So let's check out these amazing products. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is not a CBD product. And that's the cool thing about these Hello MD unboxings we do, is that the products, there are going to be CBD products in here, but there's also going to be other products you can use to go along with those products. So these are these adorable Tea Forte, they're chamomile citron herbal teas, which I love a great herbal tea before I go to bed. So these are adorable, and yeah, they're just really cute. So yeah, I'm going to take one of these apart actually so you guys can see. They're little infusers. So just adorable little infusers. So alright guys, so the next product, let's see if we can find a CBD product so that you guys can see everything in here. Alright, cool. So these are Mr. Moxey's mints, and they're artisan mints with CBD in them. And there is 300 milligrams total in this box with 60 pins. So, okay, give me that. So it's 5 milligrams of CBD per mint. And it just tells you on here, suggested use is take 1 to 4 minutes as needed throughout the day. So pretty cool product there. Alright, let's jump into our next one. Ooh, okay. Oh, these are always fun. Okay, so this is a lavender essential oil roll-on blend. Now, this is not a CBD product guide, just a straight, lavender oil in a carrier product. It's just great to use to roll on throughout the day or before you go to bed. Oh, this smells amazing. So yeah, so if you use it throughout the day, right there is great. Yeah, you're going to smell it, get into your body. Even for bedtime, I actually like to rub it on the back of my neck so I really smell it. So I get that nice lavender scent going. Alright guys, let's see. Oh, next CBD product. Okay guys, so this is Beboe, if I say it right, sorry if I didn't guys. Calming Blend CBD Vape Pen. Okay, I'm actually going to break this open for you guys. I don't normally do this with CBD pens, but they're pretty neat. And I love these because they're so discreet. And honestly, they pack the same amount of CBD as any like the big vape pens you see. And these pack the same amount in a disposable, not have to recharge, type pen. These are just, used when you're completely out, you're done, it's awesome. This one is adorable. So it reminds me almost of like those 1920s pens. But yeah, and that's your CBD pen there. And this one is the Calming Blend. So yeah, very nice. I didn't take a big hit off that, guys, because I don't want smoke going all over the camera. I just wanted to really get the taste of it. And so this one's very, I say herby. So there's no additional like peppermint or wintergreen or overlying scent with this one. This one's just a very simple scent. Just a very calm scent, just herby, and yeah, it's really nice. It's not bad. It's not like yucky herby either. If you guys ever had flavors of things that are CBD that are like super herb related, like they're like almost like you like trying to smoke a plant. It's not like that. this is just a very gentle, calm scent. So yeah, that's awesome. Can't wait to actually use that. Like I said, did not take a full hit off that, guys, just to explain why you didn't see smoke, because just on camera, that's a pain in the butt. Alright, so next products, let's see, that was 2 CBD products, right? And there's always 3 in here. Okay. And so, let's see what else we got here. Okay. Oh wow, they got like a whole bunch of extra little products this time. Okay, cool. So this is a Hello MD sleep mask. One of those kind of exclusive things that you get for being an influencer for Hello MD. So it's a nice little calming thing, you know, nighttime, which is always fun. Alright. Okay, so there's 2 more products in here. The next one I'm going to show you guys, I actually love these. This is the final product that's not a CBD. This is Rovazzo, and it's luxury goods. They're earbuds. These are amazing, guys. If you are traveling, or even at home, honestly, if you got kids and you're sleeping, you're trying to like go to bed early. But especially if you're traveling and like you got on an airplane, or you're in a hotel, you're not really sure how like the noise level is going to be. These are great because they're small and discreet. Put in your ears. They are always amazing. No matter what brand you get, I've had really cheap brands been great, but the nicer brands are just great because they last longer. And they just kind of do a little bit of noise canceling, just enough to help you be able to drift off to sleep. Okay, and the final CBD product in this month's box is a topical salve, and it's CBD hemp infused with herbs and essential oils. Let me see what the oils are on this one. Okay, so, oh wow, these are a whole bunch that I'm going to mess up saying for you guys, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, so Arnica, Meadowsweet, Calendula, Elderflower, I know that one, Rose Petal, Infused Coconut, and Jojoba oil, beeswax, vitamin E oil, hemp oil, which is your CBD. That's where you get it from. That's why these products do not have any THC in them, because they are just completely derived without that. Ginger, black pine, that's cool, cardamom, frankincense, and turmeric, and some additional essential oils. And a lot of these are organic, which is really cool. Okay, and these are topical salves. You know, they're used, people use them for a couple different reasons, but mainly they are just kind of like a pain relief type thing. And if I can open a box without messing it up, guys. Okay. And this one's really cool looking. Oh wow, I've never seen one actually be green. So I'm going to open this up, guys, so you can see it. Alright. Normally they're white, just very generic white. This one has actually green tint. Oh wow. Alright, so if you guys can see, hopefully it focuses in on that for you. Just kind of like a little bit of a green tint, and that's going to be with all the different essential oils that are on here. But yeah, once again, it's a very calming, earthy scent. Definitely great to rub on your shoulders, significant other, maybe help you get a massage. That would be a great product to use. And yeah, guys, so this was a great box. I will, like I said, link down below to all of these products, except for this one. But all these products down below, and that way you guys can access them. And just make sure to use that link, guys, so you guys can get that $20 off, because that's, honestly, guys, that's a free product's worth. So all you do, use that link, sign up, and you'll get $20 off your order, which is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to share the next unboxing with you guys. And until then,